Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are cooking burgers. You will need 500 grams of beef mince, a small courgette, 2 medium onions, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, around a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 mozzarella cheese ball, gherkins, baby gem lettuce, 1 tomato, several ciabatta rolls, tomato ketchup, and mayonnaise. Cooking method. Cut the ends off a small courgette and then grate. Add to a bowl. Top and tail an onion, peel and then grate. Add to the bowl with the courgette. Add the beef mince. Crush 2 garlic cloves, mince and add to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon oregano. Add 1 teaspoon basil. Add 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Add around half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper. Mix by hand and add breadcrumbs if the mixture is too wet to come together. I used 4 tablespoons. Roll the mixture into 4 even balls. Then press down the balls to make a patty, but make sure they are well compacted so they don't fall apart in the frying pan. Wrap the patties in plastic wrap and place in the fridge. Slice the tomato, then cut those slices into smaller slices by cutting in the other direction. Remove the end and outer leaves. Cut the baby gem lettuce in half and in half again and shred. Slice 2 ciabatta rolls in half. Place on a grill pan. Grill until golden brown. Flip over and grill again. Cut 2 slices from the mozzarella cheese ball. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a frying pan. Place 2 of the patties into the pan and fry on medium-high heat for 1 minute. Then turn over and fry for another minute. Turn over around every 2 minutes. While the patties are frying, assemble the rest of the burgers. Add mayonnaise. Add gherkin slices. Add some of the onion slices. Add some of the tomato slices. Add some of the shredded lettuce. Once the patties have finished frying, add to the grill pan. I put a foil tray underneath to catch any liquid that falls off the patties for easier cleaning. Then add the 2 slices of mozzarella cheese on top of the patties. Then grill to melt the cheese. Once the cheese has melted, add the patties to the burgers. Then top each patty with tomato ketchup and then put the lids on the burgers. Completed burgers ready to eat.